What is up, Harry's, and welcome back to my channel. So today I was supposed to be recording me taking down these rod sets, but my hair is still not dry. Like, could you believe this? I did my hair since yesterday afternoon. I washed my hair since yesterday afternoon and my hair is still not dry. And this is a video that I have never done on my channel. I never did an eyebrow tutorial, but my eyebrows be on fleek and I have bushy eyebrows. I mean, they're not that bushy, but they're bushy. They are very bushy. So this is a close-up of what my eyebrows looking like. This one, I don't even know what's going on with this one. This one, like, the hair does not grow around hair like this. I don't even know. But anyways, I stopped waxing my eyebrows. I stopped trimming them. I just stopped doing everything to my eyebrows because I realized, like, as I get older, like, my eyebrows just don't grow as much as they used to grow, because I literally used to have almost a unibrow. Like, my hairs were growing out. Okay? But now I notice, like, oh my. I shaved the thing off and it just did not come back. I waxed it several times and it just did not come back. So I was like, oh, so if that's what's happening with my eyebrows hair, let me just leave it, you know, because I don't want to look like I don't have no hair on my face, whatever. So I ended up just completely stopped shaving my eyebrows or whatever, and I just shaped them up with my eyebrow pencil. And I'm going to show you today how I shape them up without shaving them or waxing them or plucking them or all that stuff, because ain't nobody got time for that. So I just shape them up with my eyebrow pencil, and they look real natural and they look real cute and they look real, you know. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that, so please stay tuned. Oh, for my older subscribers, y'all remember this room, right? You remember when I renovated this room some time back? I'll leave the link in the description so that you could go and check it out if you don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I haven't been recording in this room, but I don't know, maybe I might stop back. So stay tuned. Okay, so here I am in my favorite spot to record, and I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. So the first thing that I'm going to do is, probably I should do a voiceover, but I don't know. But the first thing I'm going to do is, where did this come from? Where did you come from? Where did y'all come from? Get off of my face. Goodness, let me live without y'all. Okay, so the first thing I do is I go ahead and I brush my eyebrows just like so, and then the areas that looks kind of like empty, like right here, I go ahead and I fill it in, like just doing some small strokes. And I'm using the MAC Spiked Eyebrow. Oops, what's going on? What's going on? You don't focus. You see? Spend all this money on an iPhone and this thing just don't focus for nothing. But anyways, all right, never mind. So I'm using the MAC Spiked Eyebrow pencil, and this is my favorite. I also use the Wet n Wild from time to time, and e.l.f. has a really good eyebrow pencil. But I go ahead and I just fill it. Just like so. And this is my part, this is where I like to make it look a little sharp right here. So I'll do like a line underneath, and then I like to sharpen it up like right here and right here. So after I do this, I go ahead and I just brush it in, you know, try to blend it up a little bit. Just like so. And then I go ahead and I do the next side. So I go ahead and I brush it, brush it. This one is the worst one, okay? This one is no good. This one gives me the hardest time. I don't know what's wrong with her. So I go ahead and I fill this one in. Well, this one I usually fill from right here, because this is from right here, she start looking crazy. So I have to try fill her in from right there. She looking cute, she looking good, but I like to, you know, just go a little extra and make her look not too perfect, but a little better, you know? We're gonna make her look a little better. So what I like to do is I like to take a concealer that's almost my complexion. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast, and I'm going to take the Toast, you see, take the Toast, and I don't need too much. Oh my gosh, so much come out. This is like a new one because my other one finished, but I like to take the Toast and go over, what was that? Oh, fly outside. And then go underneath. You have to be careful, okay? Be very careful and try to do it as accurate as possible. So if you have shaky hands, this is just take your time and do like small strokes at a time. You have to be like, ooh, your hands need to be like, what the hell is that outside? Trying to record, and this bee decides to get himself stuck right in my window. I'm making all this noise in my video. I never see more nonsense in my life. Okay, so anyways, I'm just going in, shaping it up. You could take a blender or something, a blending brush or something, whatever you want to use, but I like to take like a small piece of toilet paper and wrap it up as small as possible, and then I'll just go like this. just blend it in a little bit, because like I said, this is almost my color. It just needs to, you know, blend a little bit. So you could use a blender, a beauty blender, and maybe that'll work just fine. See? Looking good, right? And then I go ahead and I do this side. Bam. I just take my brush one last time and I go over it just to make sure I comb all the hairs how they need to be looking. And right hair look like she need one stroke. She looking like she need a stroke, right? I don't like to do it too heavy in the beginning, so it'll just have to stay like that, right? And there you have it. This is my eyebrow tutorial. So every time you see my eyebrows, well, not every time, but most times if you see my eyebrows looking kind of, eyebrows look like she just did it, this is what I usually do. And it looks very natural. Let me see if I come close. It looks very natural. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and go ahead and thumbs up this video, and hopefully when this hair dries, y'all will be able to see the results video. Oh my gosh, it's taking forever to dry, but when it's finally dry, y'all will get to see the results, okay? All right, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.